Hello, dear children. Today we will read a small poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. This poem shows love of a kid towards a bird. So let's sing this poem together. Are you ready? Here we go. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Come, hop, hop, hop. Come, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird. So I cried, little bird. Will you stop, stop, stop? Will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window, and was going to the window to say how do you do, to say how do you do. But he shook his little tail, but he shook his little tail, and far away he flew, and far away he flew. Once I saw a little bird, once I saw a little bird, once I saw a little bird. I hope you enjoyed this poem. Children, in this poem, once a boy saw a little bird who came near his window by hopping. Hopping means jumping and moving forward in small steps. The boy cried, "Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?" Here cried means loud voice. The boy speaks loudly from some distance and asked him if it would stop there for some time, and was going to the window to say, "How do you do?" means by the time the child came near the window to ask the bird about its well-being, the bird shook his little tail. Shook means moving in a quick motion or shaking. So here, little bird shakes its tail and flies away. Tail means the long back part of an animal's body. Okay, let's understand this poem once again. In this poem, a boy sees a little bird sitting at his window. He comes near the bird to talk to him, but the bird rapidly flew away. I hope you like this poem. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.